Happy Vlogmas!
Happy Vlogmas!
Our day 2 of Vlogmas. And we realized yesterday we forgot to show you guys our haul from going to that man we met on Facebook.
The haul from the Facebook man. So real quick backstory, or not backstory, so real quick, when we got there, we were making the transaction, handing the dude the cash, when another guy was pulling up to try to get the same stuff. So it was about to turn into a bidding war, but we got there just in the nick of time.
And thank gosh.
We got a steal. We both got a pair of booties to go in historical gear. They both fit our perfect sizes. This is like something you need for the class. I don't really understand this. This thing's $48. We each got a snorkel. I upgraded one mask because I only had one good mask. We'll just use the other crap. He threw in this North Face backpack at the very end. Super nice backpack. All this stuff combined goes, I looked it up brand new, goes for $530. We gave him 75 bucks cash and dipped. And the other guy was so disappointed.
Yeah, you could hear them talking and he was like, sorry man, they just bought it.
Just watch the Bible. We're going on a walk. Alright guys, this is our friend Zach. He's lived in Guam for 2 years and he shows us all the cool spots. There's a sweet beach right here. That's an old power plant. People fishing over there.
Oh, hey, what sucks is there's always so much trash. This is cool.
Wait, there's fire ants and stuff? Yeah, cross.
Oh.
I don't know what that means. Camera first.
It's like some kind of like sacred grounds.
I know, I'm gonna
There's an elephant tusk right there.
Ask Tatamano for permission.
I didn't see that from
Why'd you poop in the woods?
What do you mean how? I leaned against
Why? I said why.
Where was I supposed to go?
In the ocean.
In the ocean? It's super slippery right here.
Hello.
Oh, look at that. You should go up and get somebody left with it.
Today's a big ass pussy.
Big pussy. Oh my god. Dude, get away from me. No, those things actually terrify me.
Please, so.
Sorry, Pat.
Yeah.
How do I even like get in?
Wowzers. And then there's like the factories for this place.
Oh, yeah.
I think there's This is the coolest view of all time. I think this view is awesome. Is this a video?
Yeah.
Is it capturing? Because I think that's a racist camera.
Oh my god, no! Stop it!
Oh, shit.
Shit, we brought so much shit over here.